Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. I believe there was a recent conversation with somebody and they were going to send something, and that is as far as my memory goes. So we're going to find out what it is together. Thanks so much to the person who sent this. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. As per usual, if it's something I can link, it will be linked right down in the description so that you guys can check it out if you want to. Even if it is something that is sold out, I'll at least provide the, a listing so that you can read into specs and things like that. Okay, there's some stuff. Here's a thing, and we have some more stuff. Oh, and good, a note. Oh, wait! What? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes, okay, so this is who this is from. Golden Design Works, I guess. And the knife is called the Standard. So there's all their information there, unless there's... These are scheduled to pre-order. Here we go. Right there. Scheduled to pre-order mid to late December of 2022. And mid to late June of 2023, after 6 months or so, is when they are scheduled to deliver. So according to that paperwork there... Oh, neat. I wonder... Ah, nice. Okay, so this is called the Standard. Ooh. Oh, is it in MagnaCut? Ooh. Yes. So listen, let me say this, right? It has a very simple aesthetic, and it is one that we have seen before. I don't think it was the intention of the designer to recreate the wheel in terms of a folding, cutting object. But my goodness... do I like it? And I'll tell you what I love. Can you guess? We have a consistent titanium texture pattern, which I just love. I don't know if you guys know that about me. I just love it, right? And we don't see it enough. I really like this. That's beautiful. This has been, is it bold inward? Ooh, that's neat. Okay, kind of like that. I love that we have, I love that we have a titanium liner lock here. I love that. Hold on, yeah, that'll work. That'll work. This is called the Standard and will apparently come, I mean, honestly, I think that's a fitting name for it, right? Let's read here. I'll zoom in so that you guys can look at this if you want to. About the Standard. As a knife collector / enthusiast for the last 5+ years now, I have probably had hundreds of knives come through my hands. Hey, I know what that's like, right? As do many of you. I have figured out exactly what I find to be excellent in a folding knife. I have taken all of those elements and tried to incorporate them in a way that is seamless and original without trying to be the best at everything. My general design philosophy is to keep things simple while striking a great balance of form and function. I strive for my designs to be executed to the highest quality possible while still being attainable. When it comes to the design of the Standard, the same holds true. The Standard is simple. It aims to deliver a striking look, great utility, quality, materials, and modularity for its users. Okay. Let's take a look at some of these specs here, right? So here we go, general specifications. You guys can take a look. MagnaCut. Would really like to know where we're getting that heat treated. That would be interesting, but it's nice to see that it is MagnaCut. We have 6AL4V titanium. I wonder who... Oh, here it is. Here it is. Country of origin, China, OEM Bestech, right? I remember him saying that. Well, you know what? They did a pretty darn good job with this. Let's zoom back out and take a look at a few other things. And again, I have seen... We have a... It's less of a click and more of a thud, but you know what? There's no detent play. And always risky to do a backspacer like this where it's U-shaped at the bottom, because if it is off, it will show. But it is not. That sucker is centered for sure. Look at the little lanyard thing, how he's got that. Is that what that is? Or is it just like a... No, I think it's literally just a hole. I think he's just teasing lanyard people. Right off the bat, ergonomics, great. Pocket clip, pretty good. It's got a little bit kind of swoops up here, but you know what? It works, and he's milled it in so that it's recessed into the titanium. This is nice. I imagine you'll have different, color options, things like that. We do have a situation here where the pocket clip is resting on top of the texture, but because of how the texture is, it is mostly flat. You can see it's flat on top, and then these are, it's not like it's bumpy, right? The bowls are milled down into the titanium, which means this is still a smooth surface for, the pocket clip to, pinch over your pocket seam. This area here, there is, right there, he's cut it out on both sides so that you can get in there and move it over. It's pretty good. It's a little bit sharp right there, but not. I wouldn't call it sharp, right? It's just after 10 to 20 or so, it's going to be a little bit fatiguing, but it's still okay. You can very easily thumb flick this guy, and you can very easily reverse flick it, right? Also, the front flip action is great. I like that this area is carved out right here to sort of follow this line. Right? I mean, you can see how the curvature of that is meant to follow that line exactly. That's really nice. Jimping out here. Nice thin blade too. Nice tumbled finish. That's beautiful. And then we have, looks like satin flats, hand rub satin flats. Very cool. The choil here is great. I really got to highlight that. If you're going to do a choil, do it right. Do a big one so that you can actually get your finger in there, right? Don't make a large sharpening choil and call it a finger choil, right? I mean, it's not, for the most part, you're going to be able to get your finger in here. I've got plenty of room. That's nice. It is, it's kind of rectangle-y, and the edges are, they're not sharp. I'm just feeling the texturing, right? And then we have the shadow boxed, right? The titanium liners sort of highlighting the scale. It's pretty comfortable to hang on to, but it is very comfortable choked up. Yeah, it's real straightforward, but I think he's got the name right? The standard. This is the type of thing that we almost always, I'm not going to say that, because this is doing its own thing. But again, they're not lines that we haven't seen before. But it's nice. I like how it's executed. There's something going on with every part of the knife. That usually when we see something similar to this, what they do is they go for the ultra minimalist look, which is, hey, we put plain titanium on it and it's smooth, right? I am just really happy that we have a texture pattern. That really looks nice. I'm going to call this a milled clip because of the way, yeah, it is. I mean, it's quite a bit thicker than your standard like stamped clip. It just takes a very basic shape, but, functional. I would say this is largely, it was function first, and then, we've got some aesthetic, nice little things here. Really cool that we've got it in MagnaCut. I'm curious about how the factory edge does. Just want to fill it out on paper. Yeah, it's okay. No, that cut was a little better. Yeah, it's better than okay. It's better than okay. This is actually pretty darn slicey. I think I just cut the paper weird. That is very much gliding through. You can see no lipped edges there. So it is maybe a little bit there on that first cut. But here, no, these were good. Same with these back here. Yeah. Just so I like to see if I can get the curlicue. Okay. The standard. So there you go. I'll make sure the website's linked so you guys can check this out. This is nice. Lockup's good. I mean, it's made by Bestech, so I know, they're going to get stuff like that right. Feels pretty good. Critiques right off the bat. There's going to be a full review. This is not a review. This is me just like handling it right out of the box. So I don't have enough. I need to carry this, kind of experience it for a while, see what I think about if there are any. I'm trying to do the like side of my finger open. I think maybe I can. Yeah, I can do it. Okay. I need to carry it, use it for a little bit, and then I will give you my full thoughts. I would imagine that this is a pre-production prototype, so there are elements of this knife that would be subject to change. That would be my guess. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me at all if I look through this information that came with it and find out that that's exactly his intention, right? So I will review it right off the bat. I like the simple look with the textured titanium. This is something that I was talking about in a recent episode of the Knife Guy. That's nice. It's great that it's a titanium liner lock, right? And by the way, I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's a lock bar insert in there. So we do have steel on steel contact. I like the ergonomics and I like the pocket clip. The cutout here, wish it wasn't quite as sharp, and maybe some of these edges not quite as sharp. Maybe some additional chamfering there. But we'll see. We'll see how that, feels after a little bit of carry and use and things like that. So pretty cool. The Standard, looking pretty nice. Make sure that you guys check him out. Once again, if you don't want to go backwards, I'll make sure that all the information is right here. I mean, rewind the video so you can see. Yeah, okay. I think that's going to be pretty much it. Expect to see the full review on this thing here in a few weeks. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.